Hi, my name is David with Audi of Lexington. Today we're going to go over Park Assist in a 2019 Audi Q7 Prestige. Not a very difficult process, but we'd love to show you a little bit about it. Hang tight. So here we're going to pull up. I have two cars in front of us and a spot to parallel park. We're going to try that first. You'll just pull forward past the car you're going to park behind, of course. We'll signal, and as you approach the space you'd like to park into, you'll click the park button, self-park button here on the dash. It's going to bring up a couple different options for you to choose from. So I've got, I'll choose the top one here, indicating we're going to park the car beside the, or behind the car beside me. I'll click it. It's indicating to pull forward more, so I'll continue to pull forward until it says otherwise. Now it's indicating to put it in reverse. We'll come to a complete stop. I'll put it into reverse. Now I'm going to modulate the gas and the brake. I will not touch the steering wheel whatsoever. Now it says to pull forward. It's going to straighten the car out completely. There it says it's over. And we click park. All finished. Now to exit your parking space, again you will click park. Then you want to indicate, or the parking button here, it's going to ask you which way you'd like to exit your parking spot, indicated with the blinker. We'll put the left blinker on, click OK. It's asking me to pull forward, so it's going to move the steering wheel forward. Now reverse. And forward. Now it says take over the wheel, and we've completed the process. My name is David. Visit us at Audi of Lexington at 3000 Pink Pigeon Parkway, Lexington, Kentucky 40509. Be happy to help you.